this year, Dubon.
This is how one Major League Baseball player is fighting for a sustainable future. For you. He's doing it for you and your kids, so you can enjoy many future baseball games together. This Labor Day weekend, you can join Brent Souther in fighting for a sustainable future for your kids. He's created the 5-Step Sustainable Living Challenge, so you can join him in carving out a sustainable future for your kids.
First and foremost, the easiest one is to get a reusable bottle. You can save so many plastic bottles. Second one is diet. Cut out some things that aren't environmentally friendly. Tends to be industrially grown red meat can be really harmful for the environment eating it. A third one, turn off the lights. I know it sounds weird, but if you just turn off the lights, saves a lot of energy. I will plant 50 trees. Trees are good for the planet, they're good for animals, they're good for people. They clean our air and water, they're vital to our ecosystems. And I know we in our society are taking down a lot of trees every day, and I want to be part of the solution to bring trees back and reforest the planet.
You know, instead of putting this paper in the recycling bin, I say take it down to the compost bin. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll bye-bye then.